Watercolor is a portable medium you can take wherever you go. In this video, I'll tell you about the advantages of painting outside. It can be in a cafe, at the beach, park, or wherever you go. Number 1. Painting outside can help you improve your creativity. Our brain relaxes in a good outside environment, especially with fresh air like the beach. This helps me to paint more and create good compositions in my watercolor paintings. If you are having an art block, whenever you feel you don't know what to paint and you can't find inspiration, I suggest going out of your house and you'll find good inspiration to paint. Number 2. Painting outside can help with focus and concentration. I thought it was just me, but when I talked to a fellow watercolor artist, she said she felt the same way. She can focus more and concentrate on painting whenever she paints in a nearby coffee shop. I felt the same. I can't imagine I can finish some detailed paintings in a coffee shop even if I painted for an hour or two. Painting outside can give you more inspiration to paint. Whenever I go to the beach or walk in the park, I can capture more scenes and flowers to paint. You'll surely find endless inspiration outside rather than just searching for reference photos online. Number 4. You can see more details of the subject you are painting. Compared to photos you see online, having the subjects in front of you is better. You'll see all the details, the colors, the shape, and aside from that, you can feel the environment. You can smell the flowers, you can smell the trees, you can smell the freshly baked pastries, the coffee, or whatever you see there. All of your senses are working, aside from the reference photo that only your eyes work. I hope this video helps. I recommend watching this video about my watercolor travel kit to give you ideas about what I bring outside to paint. Subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos like this, and tap the notification bell so YouTube will let you know if I upload a new video.